Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on reduced motion on the Discord. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Discord app in your device. Then tap on settings icon. Next scroll until you find accessibility. Next tap on it. Then scroll until you find reduced motion. Next turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can turn on reduced motion on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.